Friends, good evening. I have covered last strategy. I covered long straddle, short straddle, long strangle, and short strangle. Now I am going to cover another strategy of options, which is called bull call spread strategy. This is also a option strategy. This can be used 15 minutes or swing trading. Trade setup: market is bear or bull. Trade with primary trend. Trading preferred time 9:20 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and 1:40 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. Preferably avoid in sideways and range bound market. So if you have not subscribed video, please subscribe and share to uh, your friends who want to learn financial market or who are interested are doing trading, because this is for learning and education purpose. We must share knowledge to all and update if anything new is coming. Bull call spread strategy. Bull call spread options strategy is employed when option trader thinks that the price of underlying asset will go up moderately in near term. Bull call spread can be implemented by buying at the money call option while simultaneously writing higher strike of out the money call option of same underlying security and expiry month. So buy call spread formation, how it is. Bull call spread formation: buy one ITM call, sell one OTM call. By shorting out the money call, the option trader reduces the cost of establishing the bullish position but forego the chance of making a large profit in the event that the underlying asset price skyrockets. The bull call spread strategy is also known as bull call debit spread, as debit is taken upon the entering trade. So this is the diagram. I have shown a bull call spread diagram. So I will share you the example. Example is given at the below. So you see profit is there on the above of y-axis 300 is there, below is 200, and then 40, 42, 45, and strike price at expiry. So please remember this chart. So limited upside profit. Maximum gain is reached for the bull call strategy when the strike price move above higher strike of the two calls and is equal to the difference between strike price of two call options minus initial debit taken to enter the position. The formula for calculating maximum profit equal to max profit equal to strike price of short call minus strike price of long call minus net premium paid minus commission paid. Max profit achieved when price of underlying is greater than or equal to price of short call. This you have to remember. Limited downside risk. The bull call spread strategy will result in loss if the stock price decline at expiration. Maximum loss can not be more than the initial debit taken to enter the spread position. The formula for calculating maximum loss is given below. Maximum loss equal to net premium paid plus commission paid. Maximum loss occur when the price of underlying is less than or equal to strike price of long call. So this thing you have to remember. What is the break-even point? Underlying price at which break-even is achieved for the bull call spread position can be calculated using the following formula. Break-even point equal to strike price of long call plus net premium paid. So example, I have this example. You can see the same example will be explained further. This is a bull call spread. Maximum then Go ahead. Next. An option trader believes that the XYZ stock trading at rupees 42 is going to rally and enter a bull call spread buying July 40 call for 300 and writing a July 45 call for rupees 100. The net investment required to put on the spread of debit is 200. The strike price of XYZ began to rise and closes 46 at the expiry date. Both options expire in the money with July 40 call having intrinsic value of 600 and the July call 45 having the intrinsic value of 100. This means that the spread is now worth 500 at expiry since the trader had a debit of 200 when he has bought the spread. His profit is 300. If the price of XYZ had declined to 38 instead, both options will expire the worthless. The trader will lose the entire investment of 200, which is a maximum possible loss. So friends, I have told you what is the bull call spread. In bull call spread, you have to buy one ITM call and sell one OTM call. If you are not able to understand ITM OTM, go option basic, which is chapter 1. I already covered. This is the diagram. Then this tell us limited profit upside, maximum profit achieved, limited downside, maximum loss. Break-even point, how can you be calculated? Example has been explained. So for any query, please you can contact me. I will try to let you know on my best of knowledge. So options, you must know the technical analysis. Without technical analysis knowledge, you cannot use the option because you have to use indicators also, and price action trading. So this all includes bull call spread. Thank you friend. This is from my end. Thanks a lot. Good night.